Hey guys, this is how to fix local security authority protection error in your Windows 11. So let's get into it. The first method, you just need to open your settings, and here in your settings simply click on the apps option and then click on the installed apps. And now search here for your Windows security. Once you find it, click on the three dots in the front of this option of Windows security and then click on the advanced options. So then you will be here at this interface. Here what you need to do, simply click on the repair option first, and after completing this repairing simply click on the reset. Again click on the reset, and after completing this process refresh your PC 1 to 2 times, and after this your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you just need to open your run box by pressing Window plus R keys at once and then search here for regedit and then hit the enter. So then you will be here at this interface. Here what you need to do, simply click on the H key local machine option, expand this option, then expand the system folder here, then expand the current control set folder, and now expand the control folder here, and here just scroll down and then find the LSA folder, simply click on it. So once you click on the LSA, in the right side of this interface you have to simply search for run as BPL option. Once you find it, just double click to open it. So once you open it, this pop-up window will appear. Here you just need to change the value of data as 2 and then click OK. So now you have to just right click here and then click on new, select for DWORD 32-bit, and now rename this folder by run as BPL boost. So once you rename it, you have to just simply double click to open it, and here you have to just change the value of data as 2 and then OK. Right after that, simply refresh your PC for 4 to 5 times and your problem will be fixed. And that's all for this video.